It's the night before my first trip with my son. He's discovered that he really likes motorcycling. Maybe it's time for a few dad lessons. The problem is that Rocky's very sick. Bad gas. Be prepared for anything. This is the benefit of having this Tiger here. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna be on. Always be early. Time to wake him up at 6 o'clock. Come on, let's go. I really shouldn't enjoy that so much. But it's part of the fun. Going a long distance, starting early. It's still dark outside. I love it. Are you ready? Buddy sleeps in just a little bit more, and we're late. 6:30.
What?
On our way to Florida. You ready?
I guess.
And now, midweek, rush hour. Patience. Riding on the shoulder is not legal. Oops. My lesson in humility over, and 4 hours on the road leaves us heading into the sunshine. South of Birmingham, going toward Montgomery. And he says he doesn't need to pee. Oh, I forgot to show you the pack. The quick bags that we got on the saddlebags worked out pretty nicely. What do you think? First
Pretty
view
unreal.
of the beach, huh?
Pretty unreal. Wow.
Take it off, put your feet in the sand.
Looks like snow.
It's pretty cool. All right, let's do the beach.
Maybe I'll catch a ray of sunshine, or make believe I like the rain. Chase the storms until I tire. Believe that what I do is not in vain. We are
Thunder Beach 24.
of freedom. Children of promise, light your way. Smile when the love comes.
And at the end of a really good day and a good night, comfort food. One of the great things about attending these rallies is access to skilled artisans. And I found one that can work on my seat problem. I should say my butt problem, but it's fixed. Outstanding. Riding with friends is the best. St. George Island is the destination, and seafood. On the way back, we hit Port St. Joe, Mexico Beach, and of course, Panama City at night. Beautiful. The next day, we're back in a very crisp Nashville, Tennessee. I'll end the video how I ended the trip to Thunder Beach with my favorite back road. I'd tell you where, but then why would I do that? Maybe on another video. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you on the next adventure or the next test ride. Peace out.